from day 4. Unfortunately, it's our last full day here. We had some very delicious breakfast from the Market Cafe, which is the buffet. We have our COVID test in just about a half hour. You sign up for that when you get here. COVID test is done. After your test, you have to go back to your room for 20 minutes and they will call you. If they don't call you after 20 minutes, then you assume you're negative and you're free to go about your day. So I just set a timer and I guess we'll use this time to pack up. Timer's done, 20 minutes. Guess that means we're negative. You know, so we've done a couple of the COVID tests here in Mexico, and it's always a risk if you're gonna be negative, positive. However, having to set the timer, that was like a different level of anxiety. I think having to come to the room, we never had to do that before, so you don't think about it as much. So I guess we're free and clear. We're gonna go back down to the preferred pool today. Of the day, blue Hawaiian and a mudslide. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
We ordered some poolside food. We got some papas fritas, quesadilla, I think a burrito. We just wanted to get a little snack. And they're supposed to be doing a fish market on the beach for lunch, kind of like the tacos the other day, I think. So I think that's at 2:30, so or 1:30. So we're gonna check that out too. Yeah.
Beef quesadilla, chicken quesadilla, and beef burrito.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Napkins. Gracias.
Thank you, sir.
Gracias. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Here we go. Ketchup.
Okay. Thank you. Wow. Look at this feast. We're gonna go check out the fish thing on the beach. Sun's coming out. It's been cloudy for most of the morning, but looking good now.
Someone told me long ago, you should call before the storm. Speak of me, oh, sometime.
All right, I'm going down the slide. This is the fast one. I'm a little nervous that it's gonna be really cold because it's cloudy now and it's like 4:30. So let's go. I know this is gonna be shocking for everyone. We are not going up to the sushi bar. We're going right to Bordeaux for dinner, and I don't know what else we're gonna do after that. Let's go see.
Everybody singing low, everybody singing low. I don't know what it is about you.
My dress is from TJ Maxx, and Kevin's outfit shirt is from Old Navy. I think the pants are also from Old Navy. And Bordeaux, the men need to wear pants. That's the only restaurant here that the men need pants. You can sit outside and wear shorts, but if you want to sit inside, long pants.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way.
Just finished dinner at the French Bordeaux, and it was really, really great, just as everyone says it is. I loved the salmon, it was so good, and the filet was really good. The creme brulee was a little disappointing, that's like one of my absolute favorite things, and it was just alright. But I would say that that's definitely the best restaurant that we've eaten here.
It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Welcome to Cozumel, welcome to Secrets. We are the Relay Band. We hope you enjoy the show tonight.
Alright friends, that's going to do it for today. We fully enjoyed ourselves, and by far the best entertainment that we've seen all week was the rock band tonight. They played right out in the little plaza in front of the coffee shop, and they were fabulous. And you can download the AMR Collection app, and that's going to show you schedule events and specials and all sorts of things. You can download that months before you're even going on vacation, and then when you get here you can use it interactively, and we've used it to order room cleaning at a certain time, turn down service. We have scheduled a room service breakfast for tomorrow, so definitely download that. It really comes in handy. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. We are heading over to the gorgeous spa, so you will not want to miss that. Which way am I going?
Whatever way you think, like that, ready? It's gonna go
It wasn't cold. It was warmer than I thought it was going to be.